Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Monopoly Go airplane mode not working issue. Let's get started. First, for Apple devices, go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Once you're in General, tap on Storage. Now scroll down and find Monopoly Go. After you find it, tap on it and you'll see an option that says Offload App. Click on that. Don't worry, your data will stay safe, but the app will be deleted. After that, simply head to the App Store and download Monopoly Go again. For Android devices, go to your settings and use the search word to find Monopoly Go. Tap on the app, then go to Storage and Cache. Here, clear the cache for the app. This should reset any temporary issues affecting the airplane mode functionality. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the issue with the airplane mode on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.